Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Richard N, and I am with uh, FastGD Tutorials today. And today we'll be looking at how you could actually submit your assignment on Google Drive. This is an assignment you are supposed to create the file on Google Drive and then be able to submit the link to what you created to an admin to submit for you. So if you are new, if you're a student of Digital Witch, if you're taking a course somewhere and you would like to be able to submit your assignment using the link from Google Drive, this is a video you want to watch. And we are doing this hoping that you are using your phone. So if you're using your phone, the first thing you want to have on your phone is Google Drive. You can see I have mine here. This is my Google Drive right here. But if you don't have it already installed, the one thing you got to do is go to Google Play Store. If you're on Android, go to Google Play Store and open it. When you open Google Play Store, the next step is to click on search. You can see my search here at the bottom, and then you're going to type Google Drive. So this is Google Drive. You can see now Google Drive, and then you're going to touch on it, and then you can see it has opened up. This is Google Drive here. I've already installed it. If I remove it now, it will show install. So you want to make sure that you install this properly. And after installing it, you want to go back to your Google Drive and then you want to launch it. Now, this is my Google Drive app. You can see that it's written here Drive. So I'm going to launch it now. Okay, I've launched it. And when it is fully opened, you're going to see this kind of environment. Now, this is environment on Google Drive on your Android phone. Now, because you want to write an assignment or create an answer for an assignment, the good stuff you'd want to do is to tap on new. You can see that there is a new here. It says plus and new. You can see it right here. So you need to tap on it, and then when it opens, you're going to see different options here like folder, upload, scan, Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. So the folder is if you want to create another folder, and then the upload is if you want to send a file from your phone into your Google Drive, and then the scan is if you're looking to scan something. Then we also have the Google Docs, which is right here at the bottom here, which is where you type your documents. And then we have Google Sheets, which is like the version of Google Drive or the feature of Google Drive that allows you to to format spreadsheet like Excel and all of that. And then we have Google Slides, which is like Google Drive's version of Microsoft PowerPoint. So we are interested in creating documents. So we're going to use Google Docs. Okay. So we're going to click on Google Docs. So we're going to click on it. And if your phone doesn't have it, it's going to prompt you to install it. So this is mine now. I had to remove it earlier so that I can be able to demonstrate this with you. So I'm going to click on install. So I will click on install, and you can see now that it started installing. So when it is finished installing, I'm going to return to this video. So now it is fully downloaded now, and once it's finished downloading, the next thing it's going to do is to install itself on your phone. Now this is something that you must have on your phone if you are trying to create a document that you're going to submit to someone out there using the link. So it is installing now, and it's going to completely install in a few seconds. Okay, now you can see that it has completely installed. So let's now go back to our Google Drive. So I'm going to reopen Google Drive, and I'm going to click on new here. And at this point, I'm going to click on Google Docs. Remember that we've installed it. So Google Docs is going to be opened again. Google Docs is going to open now, and you can see that it has actually come up. Okay, now it has come up like this now, and this is where I'm going to type answer to my question, or maybe that the question I'm going to, or I have to answer. So but the first thing I want to do is I want to title this document. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to click on this good parts here, and you see that we have untitled documents. So you're going to click on the untitled documents, and then it will open up the writing environment for you to name the document. So I'm going to call it, let's just say assignment 1. Let's call it assignment 1. You can put here FastGD tutorials. Maybe that could just be the title of our assignment, or maybe the place where we are studying. So we can put okay. Okay, so we don't need this one. So you can see now the name here has become what? Assignment 1 FastGID tutorials, and then we're going to say okay. So the next thing is for us to like actually type our document. So type our document. You can see that we have a pen here on the screen at the bottom left, sorry, at the bottom right. So you need to click on this pen. So I'm going to click on the pen now so that I can be on an environment where I can be able to write and format text. So at this point now, let us assume that my question is, let's say, what is the meaning of API? So this is the question I'm going to have to answer. But before you answer this question, of course, you want to tell the person what your name is. So you're going to put in your name. You can say maybe your name is FastGID tutorials, and then maybe your class. You can put your class. You can say okay, maybe accountancy, maybe 100 level. Okay, and then probably you're going to put maybe other things that you feel are going to be are going to be maybe necessary to be able to identify you. So the next thing is you're going to do what? Type your assignment. So you can say okay, API is a short way of writing application programming interface, like this. So this could be your assignment, and then you can now add other things that you feel like are going to be necessary for this. Maybe you will also ask what is the meaning of CRM. So you want to write the meaning of CRM. So you can say okay, CRM simply means customer relationship management. So this could be your answer to your questions. And when you're done, okay, you want to say okay, now you are done writing this assignment and you feel like it is time to submit. No problem. You can just simply go back to the top left hand of your screen and you can see that there is a good sign there. Click on the good sign, and then you do what? You can now click on the cancel here, and you can now see that we have actually left that place. We have left there now. Then the next thing is for you to go and find your your file. So your file could be any one of these ones here. So your file could be any one of these ones here, and you just want to like click on it and then be able to submit. So let's assume I want to submit my assignment now. The next thing I want to do is I want to like open the assignment. Let's assume this is a file. I'll open the assignment like this, and I'm going to click on these 3 dots here. You can see that there's a 3 dots here, and you can see that there's details here. Okay, but sometimes it will not come up like this. What you have to do is go back to your files. Okay, go back to your files, and then you can see that there's a 3 dots on on every assignment that you have here. On every document you have here has 3 dots at the at the right part of the screen. So you're going to touch on the 3 dots here, and on the 3 dots now, when you touch it, you're going to see something like copy link. Okay, so if you want to share this with somebody, maybe someone in another location, maybe somebody far away from you that does not have Bluetooth or connection, or is not so close to you, maybe like you're in Nigeria, the person is in the USA, and you want the person to be able to read this document. What you can do is to copy this link and then share with the person. But before you do this, there are some things you have to do that will ensure that the person can be able to access this file correctly without any hassle. So what is that thing you're going to do? Click on this copy link, and if you share it with this person, the person will be able to like say, okay, you cannot really read it. So what you have to do is, if you want to share it and the person has to get access to it, you click on the file to open it once again, and then you see this place here where it says these 3 dots here. You're going to click on that, and from here now, you can see where they said, okay, let me click on this icon here. Okay, let's say share, and you can see where they say share and export. So you can say, okay, share. But that is not really what I want to do. I just want to be able to like share it so that people can be able to like access it correctly. So I will go back to my recent. You can see that this is our assignment here. You can see assignment 1 here. I'll have to open it once again, and I'll click on this icon here. It's still not coming up, so I'll go back, and then this is it now. I will touch these 3 dots here, and I'll click on copy link. So when you copy this link now, you can now go forth and share it with whoever you want to, or you wish to have a, a glimpse of what you've actually typed. So I want to send it to myself. So I'll search for my name on WhatsApp and I'm going to paste it for myself. So you can see that I've actually pasted the link here. So anybody now can be able to actually view this link and then be able to enjoy whatever the content is. So this is just how to actually get to create your assignments and share with someone, using the link to the file on your Google Drive. So if you have any questions or you have any confusions, you can actually do well to leave us your questions so that we can actually answer you. So remember to keep a date with FastGD tutorials, as we are going to be making more and more and more useful tutorials that's going to be very, very helpful in your journey so far. So make sure that you like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, as it's going to be very helpful. So thank you and see you some other time. Bye bye.